Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to ChromeOS with PIN and 2FA detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to ChromeOS with a PIN and two-factor authentication, begin by turning on your Chromebook. Once your Chromebook boots up, select your user account from the login screen. Click on the next button to proceed to the password input screen. Enter your Google account password in the designated field. After entering your password, look for the option to set up a PIN if you haven't done so already. To create a PIN, click on the Setup PIN link. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a 6-digit PIN of your choice. Confirm your new PIN by entering it again as prompted. Once your PIN is set up, proceed to the two-factor authentication process. Open your browser and navigate to your Google account security settings. Locate the two-step verification option in the security section and click on it. If you haven't enabled two-step verification yet, click on Get Started. You will need to enter your account password again for security purposes. Select your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as using your mobile device or an authentication app. If using a mobile device, opt for SMS or a phone call for verification codes. If using an authentication app, follow the instructions to set it up and link it to your Google account. Once linked, scan the QR code displayed in your browser using the app on your mobile device. Enter the verification code generated by the app or received via SMS to verify the setup. After successfully setting up two-factor authentication, go back to your Chromebook. On the login screen, enter your Google account email and click Next. Input your password again, followed by your PIN when prompted. If additional verification is required, enter the two-factor authentication code generated by your chosen method. Once you enter the correct code, you will gain access to your Chromebook. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated to ChromeOS with a PIN and two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.